beautiful, gorgeous bob everyday hair to show you guys. And I also have another one. There are two bobs that I'm going to show you, and they are beginner friendly, very easy to install. If you guys want to see how I install this hair, then keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. And turn on your notification bell, and also like my video. If you want to see how I style this hair, then keep on watching.
Hi guys, I want to give you guys the details of this gorgeous bob unit. This unit is popping, y'all. It's very good for the summer, and the colors are so beautiful. Comes in different colors. It comes with two combs in the front, one comb at the back, and an elastic band with an adjustable strap. And this hair was so easy to style, very beginner friendly, very big head friendly also. It has a lot of volume, as you can see, and the hair was super affordable. Like, it was so easy for me to style, y'all. I just love the texture. The texture is gorgeous. It's giving me like the silky yaki vibe. Honestly, if you guys want to see the details of this hair, is down in the description below. This hair was just gorgeous. Look at that lace though. Look at that pre-plucked hairline. I mean, I didn't have to do anything. I just had to like cut the lace and just put it on. Guys, this hair melts so well on my scalp. This hair does not shed. I did not even experience any shedding or tangling. I just couldn't believe that this was a synthetic lace wig. It was that high of a quality.
I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, you're miles away. It's safe to say, it's almost like you've disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me?
Alright guys, so this is the outre melted hairline Isabella. Also comes in different colors. As you can see, this hair is super gorgeous. Has two combs in the front, one comb in the back, and elastic band and adjustable strap. Just the same details as the outre breanne. It's just that this one comes with a 5-inch deep padding, also has the same lace like the outre breanne. The lace melted very well. It's big head friendly. It has baby hairs. I mean, this hair is super gorgeous. Like, I don't know, I don't remember how much I bought this hair, but it's super affordable. I think I bought it for $40. This hair is good for the summer. It's an everyday hair. Like, you can wear this hair to work. It's just gorgeous and very classy also. If you guys want to see the details of this hair, you can, I put the link down below. You guys can see that below. And if you want to see how I style this hair, then keep on watching.
Yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. 'Cause I'm next to none. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. 'Cause I'm next to none. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. All I know about you, you like to pick and choose. Make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me.